Good morning, Willis. Yeah, so principal teachers and all my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Yes, today as a part of science fair, I will choose the topic for exam. So first, I will have a few questions. So, have you ever failed in your exams? I mean, have you ever failed in your life? Yes, ma'am. Have you ever worked very hard but you haven't gained the success? Ma'am, I can feel the pain. Your heart feels so heavy and you feel disappointed and you start telling that I can't do it. So today I want to change that thinking. So because the failure, it's not a defeat, it's an idea. And yes, this is Deepaman Sriran, student of grade 9, biology branch. Okay, first let us come to know what's the meaning of data. So data means it's an idea. It's going to tell what you have worked and what you haven't. So now let us take about the scientists. Yes, the scientists, what they're going to do, they're going to do the experiments. So while doing the experiments, they fail thousands of times. But when they fail, they don't cry. They start again. They cut their mistakes. They check their mistakes. They're going to do the experiments again, and then again they're going to be successful. So now let me take you the real life example. Yeah. Let's take Thomas Edison. So he's the person who invented the bulb. This type of bulbs. Okay. He failed more than 1,000 times. Yeah. But he said, what he said? He said that I haven't failed 1,000 times. I have learned 1,000 times which the bulb is not going to work. So my next real life example is APJ Abdul Kalam. Yeah, as you all know that he is a scientist and also president of our India. But he hasn't of his cycles. Like he wanted to become a pilot, a fighter pilot, but he was failed in the selections. And next, let's take a basketball player. You know the basketball people knew him, Michael Jordan. So when he was studying the higher class, they removed from him because he was not playing good. There is no practice. But after a few years, he came up with a good practice and he played very well. So now, what is his position? He is a legend of the basketball. So here, if you can see, they haven't given up. So if they have been given up, we even doesn't know their names. Okay, so these are the real life examples. So let us take daily examples. So in students, the most toughest chapter is the maths. They're facing more difficult in maths. So it means that they are not bad in maths. They are not the bad persons. They need the focus in maths. They need the practice in the maths. And next, they need the practice in the maths. Okay. So next, take another example. So when you're riding a bicycle, we all knew that at the first attempt, all of us are going to fall down. Each fall tells us that it's the balance. So if you give up, even you can't ride the bicycle or scooter and everything. So finally, I will share my personal things. So when I was at 6th grade, I failed in 2-3 subjects which I faced very hard. So the subjects are social, science and maths. So I was very perfect. Before going to exam, I was very active that yes, I can do it, I can get out of it. But when the results came, yes, I got very low. But in social I failed. So I felt very disappointed. But my father said me that failure is a first part of our success. And yes, I took this as the most motivational. The next I have checked my mistakes. So before disappointing myself, I checked the spellings in the exams. There were very greatest mistakes, especially in biology and social. I wrote very different answers, mistakes. But in maths, if you can see, instead of plus I get minus, instead of minus I get plus. So like that I have it. So next time I have practiced very well and finally I get the success. So finally, I conclude that failure is not opposite of success. is a part of our success. If you can see the great people like Elon Musk, such type of guys, if you can see them, they're not going to be afraid of their failure. They'll use their failure, and finally, they're not going to be afraid of them. So from now, let us don't be afraid of the failure. Let's use the failure for the past of our success, because the failure is an idea, not a defeat. So at last, I would like to thankful to my Bhargavi ma'am and Priya ma'am who motivated me to do the TikTok. So finally, I conclude the signing off. This boy is studying grade 9, the Bhalan Road branch. Thank you.